Hello children, welcome back again. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself and you all are safe at home. I am Perpetin Fernandez, your junior KG teacher from Toddledom. Today we are going to learn something new. Today's subject is picture talk. Now I'll show you one picture and you have to guess what will be the topic of the picture talk. What is our topic for picture talk today? Okay, let's see the picture now. Can you see this beautiful picture? Now can you tell me which place is this, children? See, there are a lot of animals in this picture. They are behind the cage. Can you guess which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of a zoo. I am sure children, most of you must have visited a zoo. It's lot of fun, isn't it? We go to zoo with our family and friends. And there are so many different kinds of animals, birds and reptiles that you can see in the zoo. Children, see, some of the animals and birds are kept inside the cage because they can harm us. We should not go near the cage. There are wild animals in the cage. Okay. Children, now we'll take a close look of this picture. We'll see one by one which all animals and birds are there in this picture. We'll do picture talk on zoo. Let's start. What can we see in this picture? Here we can see some kangaroos, zebra, camel and giraffe. Now here we can see few trees. Then there is rhinoceros. These are rhinos and one man is watching them. There is one more tree beside. And which animal is this? This is elephant. And beside elephant, there is bear. And there is one water fountain too. Here we can see birds. Which bird are this? There is peahen and peacock. Children, now here which animals we can see? Here we can see some seals, penguin, and besides penguin there are some polar bears. And some kids are enjoying watching the polar bear. Now, children, can you tell me what is this? This is a tortoise. Let's see what else we can see in this picture. Now which animal is this? These are hippopotamus with their babies. Here we can see a boy watching them. And up, which animal is this? This is a crocodile. Few penguins are there and elephant too. Which animal is this? This is a lion. He's kept inside the cage. Here are few Brazil birds. Different colors, different types of birds. They are also kept inside the cage. Now see, which animal is this? This is a tiger. Now here there are few monkeys and parrots too, and few people are watching them. Now moving up, there are few more birds like toucan, macaw, cockatoo. These are different kinds of birds. And there is panda and gorilla too. Children, these are all the animals we saw and read about in this picture. Picture talk is what we see in the picture and we describe what is there in the picture. So we have seen all these animals, birds, they are kept in the zoo and some people are watching them, some kids are watching them. This is all about picture talk. Children, now this is one more picture of a zoo. Now what you have to do is you need to try describing what all you can see in this picture. Which animals are there, which birds are there, and what all people are doing in this picture. You need to try talking about this picture at home. So you need to practice along with your parents. Children, now can you tell me what did we see in the zoo? Yes, can you tell me what did we see in the zoo? Yes, we saw different kinds of animals, birds and reptiles in the zoo. Now tell me, in what are the animals and birds kept in the zoo? In what are animals and birds kept in the zoo? Yes, the animals and birds are kept in cages in the zoo. Why should we not go near the cage in the zoo? Can you tell why should we not go near the cage? Yes, because the animals in the cage can harm us. So we should not go near the cage. Children, I hope you have understood our today's topic, that is picture talk on zoo. You need to keep practicing. You need to keep reading the pictures. Okay. So this is all for today. I'll be back very soon with next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.